fundamentals and also REB and NES as well on that specific component. So then when I coming back to AI as the topic of today, I'm happy that you're engaging us to come and talk about AI. It's something that is trending, as you mentioned. The country is really trying hard to make sure that we integrate AI in whatever we're doing in the education sector. And Rwanda is one of the countries that's championing AI in Africa. It's not AI itself. What we are doing, there is development behind that chatbot because it's WhatsApp based. And what we are doing for learners to not going to other things, we are trying to protect the devices and they only have access on that specific line where they are chatting and learning mathematics, which is something great. And we are working on improving that to make sure that whatever we are doing is aligned with national curriculum.
This is Rwanda Innovation for Schools and Education, whereby students and the teachers are going to use AI. We have a person on board who is going to explore more about this.
I'm heading a project called Rwanda AI Innovation for Schools and Education. What is this program? This is a program where we have 3 AI innovations to support both teaching and learning outcomes. We have one tool called RORI. RORI is a math tutor that helps or that delivers a personalized and interactive learning to students, but especially in math from P4 to Senior 3. So which means, learners or students are going to interact with AI and be able to learn math, but on their own pace and own gap. Let's say with RORI, the RORI as a tool gives you a diagnostic assessment to know what is your gap. And then from your gap, it gives you a level according to your performance on the diagnostic assessment, and then it always gives you a personalized exercises practice according to your level, and then you grow over the time and you can move from level 1 to level 2 to level 3. Well, with AI, actually there are a lot of myths around AI. Let's say we talk about ChatGPT. When it comes, everyone says like it's going to make people lazy, not even learning. But AI is here to stay. We need to understand it's here to stay. And to adopt it and use it in education as early as possible is going to help us actually catch up with the technology and this advancement. So I can say that, RORI, Tally and learners are not here to make teachers become lazy or not doing their job. No, because they are here, in fact, to help them do their job better. If I had a class of 80 students, which is typical in some schools, with 80 students, to be honest, you cannot have enough time to know individual cases. Let's say even individual cases to see their gap. You cannot have this time to go one by one. But with RORI, at least you can facilitate, you can help those one who do you realize that they are struggling, because RORI can show you that this one is struggling, it's in this level. You see it's in level 2 when others they are in level 8. You know that this one in level 8 they are okay, but this one in level 2 they are struggling. So now you dedicate your time to help those one. So with now learners, instead of taking 4 hours a day, grading students, imagine you also have, to prepare lessons. Yeah, that time saved, you can use it to other teaching activities. So
Like
that means you are not,
drawing, the
yes,
charts, like-
yes. So you are not going to sit, but it's going at least to give you time to catch up with your curriculum. Otherwise, you see cases of some teachers who are not finish their curriculum because they had a lot to do. So these tools are going to help us at least to improve their performance, not to make them lazy or let them stop their responsibilities. Yeah.
igahita iguha ibitekerezo byawe ufite ukabishyira muri sisiteme ukabona biraje. Ibi rero ntabwo ari ubunebwe, ahubwo ni ibisigana n'ubwo bwenge nyine. Utamenya kuyikoresha aba yasigaye.
This RORI help us to teach mathematics where our learners interact or chat with RORI. We use RORI by chatting in WhatsApp, where you register in RORI, the learner register, and the RORI asks them some questions for registering. After that, RORI give them diagnostic test. After doing the diagnostic test, RORI classify the students according to their level. There is the improvements in using RORI. When the learner are in the class, every learner interact with RORI, and RORI give them immediate feedback. Means that there's the improvement. And also, by using RORI, the learner are motivated. Every learner want to use RORI because it interacted by chatting and give them the immediate feedback. And then when there is some errors, RORI help you to correct these errors. This is why I found that there is improvement in teaching mathematics by using RORI. And also there is the change in performance. When the learner chat with RORI, they study many things. And when they give them the quizzes or CATs, continuous assessment test, you see there is the change in their performance. The essential things for the funds from Raising Academy, there is a parent control. There's a parent control, means that the learner cannot access or navigate other platform. No, they interact only for RORI in chatting.
Almost three things. There is RORI, Tally, and Learnness. In Tally, it helps teachers to summarize what he is supposed or she is supposed to teach, whereby you find how he should prepare the lesson plan. He should get short, summarized questions to ask students and to be helpful for teachers, to be easy to teach what they know. The ICT where we have RORI, it will help our students who sometimes fail to pass mathematics, whereby it is easy You go on chat, you see how even difficult things in mathematics, the RORI can help you to understand and even get the solution from it. And easy questions are there, and even students are very happy to chat or to use RORI as a medium of learning mathematics easily. Students are familiar of seeing teacher teaching them in front of them, helping them. But now they are the ones involved in chatting. They are being helped by RORI. Any question, easy question, difficult question, they are in RORI, and they will be easier for them to get real answers, and it will be easy for them to answer the questions, and they will pass well. I first and foremost thank our government. It helps, it does everything to support our schools in everything, more especially in ICT tools, because our schools, the government, public schools, government aided schools, they have equipment for ICT. Almost those schools have ICT equipment, the computers for teachers, the one laptop per child, and it will be easier for the headmasters to follow daily and keep the materials given by the government, keep them well. And I thank the non-organization who helps us to train us, and it will be easy for us to make a follow-up so that those materials, ICT materials, can be maintained well at the schools.
To assure you the sustainability of AI tools and integration in teaching and learning process, once we be familiar with those devices at the school level, and also we will have those devices at the district level where we have to monitor what's going on at school level. We have seen that these AI tools will help our learners to perform, especially in mathematics and in English, where performance was lower. If we compare the result from last national examination, we try to use those applications in mathematics and in English to improve the performance of our learners. Best practice I will share with you from schools. When we visited the school, the teacher get the work easy while preparing lesson, and while also delivering lesson, the AI app facilitate the learner on methodology, how to deliver a lesson properly so that learners can get easily the subject to follow the lesson, and also some exercise collected by the app called LearnLens. It's application which facilitates the collection of assessment from learners. It facilitates the work while teaching and learning process is concerned. For head teachers and the deputy head teachers in charge of studies is to keep those devices well so that we facilitate the teaching and learning process at the school level. We have to maintain and keep those. Well, the message I can give to both students, teachers, school leaders, education leaders on different levels, be sector, district, REB, NESA, the ministry. AI is coming to us, and we don't need to miss it. We don't need to take.
It is coming to stay.
Yeah. We don't need to take it for granted. So then, if now we know that it's here to stay, we have to live with it. So how do we live with it then? It's trying to see how we can integrate it in whatever we are doing. So be that you're a student, you need to know how you use it to help you learning. Be that you're a teacher, you need to know how to integrate AI in whatever you're doing to help you improve your practices, your teaching, supporting students. You're a school leader, you need to know how to use AI to help you read well the school that you're reading. You are a sector education inspector, you are a DEO, so use it to support yourself, but also see people you're reading, how they are using it and how it is helping them to improve. The ministry as well, REB, NESA, we need to start thinking about AI policy in education. You know that we are having AI policy under the Ministry of ICT and Innovation, but again, we are championing make sure that we are showing people what AI can do and how we can use it, improving learning outcomes in schools.
Rwanda Basic Education Board Multimedia Production Studio. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your participation. You have heard how ICT is very important in our education system. The teachers are using ICT, but also AI is helping them to navigate and get more and explore more about what they are teaching. Students are also getting more exercises in mathematics. AI is here to stay. And it is our time to explore it. It's our time to use it in a positive way. This is Rwanda Basic Education Board Multimedia Production Studio. I am Ezekiel Tuishime. Bye.